on, guys? Welcome aboard. We are at the Amazon, as you see. We are loaded and we are headed out to drop off the delivery. Um, my buddy's with me today. Well, actually, he's kind of like a elderly guy, so he helps me clean up the house, yard, help us clean up at the place where we work at, and then he rides with me in the truck. The driver's out of town, so we're taking the delivery. Welcome aboard, and we are heading out. It's been a while since I got in the truck, so it feels a little awkward. As you see, Amazon is slowing down a little bit. Hardly any trucks out there. The rates are horrible. They changed the routes here in Augusta area, so now we're covering a lot of South Carolina drops versus what we used to do local. So it's hard. I gotta find another ways to use my truck because we're hardly making any money right now. If you all have any other ways to use your truck, please share it with us so we could find some more work. Alright. As you the buddy that's riding with me, he's like he walk across this dam that we're passing. This is the dam between Georgia and South Carolina. We're about to cross into it. It looks pretty good. I mean, pretty beautiful. I just couldn't record the size of it as I'm driving, because the camera is mounted on the dash, and I don't want to move around while I'm driving. So, but this is the dam, and pretty soon we're gonna cross into South Carolina. Other than that, it's pretty quiet night. We're heading to Greenwood, South Carolina. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully we'll have a nice quiet ride. So stick around. It's raining. I hate when it's raining. When it's raining on the back road. I still haven't put the new headlights, as you see. It's still too dark. I'm gonna order some. We had to spend some money on fixing the lift gate. My lift gate wasn't working. Come to find out, the switch for the up wasn't working some reason. The down part of the switch was working, so I could let the lift go down, but it won't go up. So I had to spend some money on that. As slow as it is right now, I hated to do that expense, but my mechanic's pretty reasonable, so he came and worked on it. We were out until about 1 o'clock in the morning trying to get the lift going. We finally got it going because we were supposed to be needing it for the same night delivery. So yeah, expense. Ooh, hey, we are making in our way into McCormick, South Carolina. This is McCormick. That's our huddle house to the right. Burger King to the left. Just everybody's asleep. It's dead. I think it's about 1 something in the morning. Or 2 something in the morning, but it's just quiet. Nobody on the road. This is the worst part about driving at night. There's nowhere to go. Everything's quiet. If you break down, you better hope that cops get there before a robber does. Because you never know who's gonna rob you. Nowadays, they be cracking down on the trucks and robbing them. Right at the light that you see ahead. If you turn left on at the light, it'll take you to McCormick Post Office. And we still got a ways to go before we get to Greenwood. Alright, we are in kind of sort of Greenwood, South Carolina now. We gotta turn left at this light and go down a little bit. So, same way, I don't think we're about 10-15 minutes away from the drop off. Yeah, I think it's about 10-15. But this is Greenwood, South Carolina, you guys. It's horrible. I barely see anything. I think I'm driving at night with this light. Is dangerous. I am driving with the high beam. That's just my high beam right now, y'all. It's not even my low beam. You barely see a high beam on there, so I really need to change my headlights. It's the plastic cover itself is so fogged out that it barely puts out any light. So yeah, I'm gonna have to change this sooner or later. I've been seeing it on Amazon. They got it for like $150 for 2 lights or a pair. Nothing fancy, just a regular plain light headlights. So I think that's what I'm gonna go with. It's just if always something comes up and I have to stop penny pinching. So but hopefully within the next few weeks I'll go ahead and order the light. Alright, this left turn, a little bit long, a little bit more. We're about to turn left right here to get to the post office. Almost there, you guys, almost there. As you see, I'm about to turn in the wrong way, in the wrong side of the street anyway. Alright, turn left here, go down. All them lights to the right hand side, that's where the post office is. Back up to the dock, get it out, and get home. Another hour and a half ride or so, close to 2 hours to get home.
Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, Pops. The reason I did it, because the guy that we're pulling this load for, he has scratched my back, I think twice. So, you know, I had to return the favor back. Like I was telling you yesterday. Good?
Oh yeah, I just looked what time it was.
Oh,
I just want to see what time it was. Why she didn't call me?
422.
Why she didn't call me?
About 5:30.
Certain person on soccer team.
Huh?
I know a certain person on soccer team. How about do this, do this? Here we go. She's a mess sometimes.
Don't eat it, don't eat it. Might hit it.
Y'all seen that day that you know what the coffee machine is now at the store?
Yeah.
Little mouse come out there.
What?
Little mouse come. You not seen two people running. Me and Mama was running. Like to run into each other. Ooh.
Take the next right onto North Creek Boulevard, then turn right onto Nightfall Lane.
I don't like mouses. I can see you. Me neither. Next time, let me know what direction.
Turn right onto Montague Avenue Extension.
Tell me what direction you gonna go. You like to run into each other. Two grown-ass people running from a little road. There's a mouse. I thought she jumped up there.
Take the next right onto Montague Avenue Extension.